This is a 1955 Smith Corona Silent Super Typewriter. It is in excellent working condition, has new rubber on the platen, and it is ready to type. This is the Smith Corona Silent Super in seafoam green color. It's in excellent working condition. It has a really nice, light, and easy typing action. It has new rubber on the platen. The key tops look nice. The finish is in good shape, but there is some wear. There's some marks here and there. There's a chip here on the lid. And there's some paint wear here by the knob. But overall, it's a really nice finish with a light green color. Also included with this machine is a reprinted user's manual, an extra ribbon, an original Smith Corona cleaning brush for the typewriter, and the original case with the key, which is kind of unusual to find the key. The case has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. It does have some wear. In pretty good shape overall. The bottom has a spot on it there. It's a little dense. But it looks nice. That's for the 1955 Seafoam Green Smith Corona Silent Super.